CNN, we have in our studio today renowned geologist Neil Blomquist. He has been studying the major volcanic belt in the Pacific Ocean called the Ring of Fire. He is going to talk today about Mount Kilauea in the Hawaiian Islands.
Good evening. I'm glad to be here. There are 5 volcanoes that form the Big Island of Hawaii. The Hawaiian Islands were formed from these shield volcanoes rising from a hot spot on the ocean floor. Today, the Big Island is 10,432 kilometers squared. These volcanoes are 300,000 to 600,000 years old.
What is the Ring of Fire?
The Ring of Fire is a volcanic change surrounding the Pacific Ocean. The Ring of Fire is famous for its regular earthquake and volcanic activity. More than 75% of the world's active volcanoes above sea level form part of the Pacific Plate. An oceanic plate that forms the bed of the Pacific Ocean is surrounded by a number of continental plates. The collision and rise of these plates created zones of overlap over a hot spot, which is where magma collects. This leads to the formation of volcanoes and the occurrence of earthquakes.
So, what is a volcano and a hot spot?
A volcano is a fragile spot in the crust where molten material or magma comes to the surface. Volcanoes erupt when magma and pressure come together and blow off the top of solid rock. Magma is a molten mixture of rock-forming substances, gases, and water from the mantle. After lava has cooled, it forms solid rock. A hot spot is a place under the Earth's surface where magma collects.
Are all of these volcanoes the same?
No, there are 3 types of volcanoes: composite, shield, and dome. Composite volcanoes are steep-sided cones formed from violent flows of hot steam. Ash and lava flowing at very high speed with temperatures over 400 degrees Celsius. An example of this is Mount Fuji in Japan. Such volcanoes can be as high as 8,000 feet. The magma is sticky, that is, has high viscosity. The second volcano is a shield volcano. They are low with gentle sloping sides. Eruptions are typically non-explosive. An example of this is Mount Kilauea on Hawaii. The Hawaiian Islands were formed by quiet eruptions, and Mount Kilauea has built up the Big Island over hundreds of thousands of years. An interesting fact is that each year Mount Kilauea adds 42 acres to the Big Island. A volcano erupts quietly if the magma is low in silica and has low viscosity and flow easily. The lava from Mount Kilauea has low viscosity and is the same as that of water. Dome volcano. Viscosity is much thicker than that of a shield volcano. The sides are much steeper than a shield volcano. This is because the lava is thick and cannot flow very far, because before it cools and hardens. An example of this is Puy de Dome in France.
What rock does Kilauea have?
The rocks produced by Kilauea are called basalt.
Where can these volcanoes not occur?
Volcanoes only occur on the boundaries between tectonic plates, so they would not occur in Europe or Antarctica, which are within tectonic plates.
That's all for today. Thank you for coming, Mr. Blomquist, and thank you for watching CNN.